YouTube clips are rolling out across YouTube, of course. Probably coming to a channel near you. It may already be ready on your channel. How do you know? Well, you're going to be looking for something like this in your YouTube creator dashboard. But let's discuss, what is it all about? What does it do? And is it beneficial to you as a creator? Let's get into it. G'day, Doug, back with you with another video about a new YouTube feature, and today we're talking about clips. Anyway, we're going to get right into it. Let's show you what a clip is first of all, and how do you find it? Really, it's a feature for viewers, but it is very beneficial to you as a creator. So as you can see here on the computer, I'm going to go to my channel. Let's just pull up one of my recent videos, which would be this one. But you can see this little feature down here where my cursor is right now, and it's a picture of a pair of scissors, and it says the word clip. This is essentially what a clip is. It allows a viewer to clip a portion of your video somewhere anywhere between 5 and 60 seconds. And what they do is they would click on that, and they get this little box up on the side where they can give it a description, which is effectively a title for the clip that they're sharing. I'm just going to put Clippy the Clip. Who remembers the Clippy the Clip from Microsoft? Okay, and you can see here we've got a bit of a timeline. It says at the moment it's picked 15 seconds between 3:03.1 and 3:18.1. Now I can't hear what I'm saying here, but what it currently is doing is rotating through that 15-second period and showing me what I've picked. So I can move the 15-second marker to the beginning, to the end, anywhere in between. And say I want to grab the section I want to grab starts there and goes for 27.2 seconds. Now I've just picked something at random, so this isn't going to make sense. But this is the clip that I want. You can see there that it is just rotating through the section that I've highlighted. I can pick up to 60 seconds, of course, and as little as 5 seconds. And then I get to share the clip. It will make a clip sharing interface, which basically means that here's a special link for you to be able to share, or you can share it directly to one of these socials like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, via email, and Reddit and Pinterest and a bunch of other socials. In most cases, you're going to grab the link. You can see the link is effectively youtube.com/clip and then a bunch of letters and numbers as YouTube usually shows. What can I do with that? I can then share that anywhere I want to anyone to refer them to that clip. What it does, it takes the person who you shared it with directly to your video. So as a creator, it's not creating a new piece of content, it is creating a link to a point inside your existing content. And you can see here that it says, I am currently showing you in this window the clip that's been shared called Clippy the Clip. And then as the person receiving that, I can also choose to share the clip out more as well. Or I get the choice as the viewer to watch the full video. A lot of opportunities here for creators to have their videos or parts of the video shared as clips. It will bring more people into their videos who then get the option to watch the whole video if the thing that they see in the clip is interesting to them. They go, hey, I want to watch the whole video, not just this snippet. Right on. Pretty cool, huh? We're going to dive deeper and find out all the nuts and bolts. The first thing we already know, because I told you before, is the clip can be selected from anywhere between 5 to 60 seconds in length from any video that is eligible that basically has the clip icon underneath the video. So we're going to jump on over to the help article that YouTube's put out for sharing clips. Really quickly, we can see here, this feature is an experiment that is only available to a small number of creators. We're working to let more creators participate in the future. Now, they are on the wider rollout now, so this is still up there, but they are rolling it out. So you might already have it, so you can check that out. You'll see this little notification in your news section on your dashboard, or you'll just look at your videos and you'll have the clip feature. Select and share a portion or a clip of a live video or live stream. So it's not only videos, but you can actually clip a live stream while it's live. I don't have any footage of how to do that. Next live stream I'm on where clips is available, I'll be testing it out. I actually wasn't aware of this, and I was live streaming just yesterday, and my Saturday live streams, which is usually around 8 a.m. Eastern, if you want to check it out. Creator Breakfast is called. One of my subscribers and good friend Eileen Smith tweeted at me this tweet here that basically showed me that, hey, you got clips going on this live stream right now. You can clip your live stream, which I didn't know at the time because we were talking about clips and I didn't know that that was a thing. So now I know, and now I'm sharing it with you. You can clip live streams while they're live. Clips can be shared on social channels or via direct communications, for example, email or text. So basically you get a link, you can share it wherever you like. Note, clipping videos is turned on by default. So if it's activated on your channel, by default it will be on. There is a way of turning that off. We're going to get to that. Creating a clip, which I demonstrated just now in a very simple overview way. Clips are between 5 to 60 seconds long and are played on a loop from the original video's watch page. So basically when it's playing back to the person who you shared it with, it's going to start at the point where you cut in, to the point you cut out, and it's going to loop back to the start again. So it's going to do a looping thing. And so you need to be signed in to create a clip. So you need to be like a logged in user. Any viewer who's logged into YouTube can access this feature. You start watching the video. Under the video, you'll see the clip logo, which is the scissors and the word clip. If you don't see this, it means the video isn't eligible for clips, which means either the creator hasn't been given it yet or they've turned it off, or it's not eligible for some other reason. A creator clip box will show up and do the things that I showed you. You can give the clip a title or a description, as it's called on there as well, which is a maximum of 140 characters. You can choose an option to share the clip to social networks. There's an embedding option which is there as well, email, or just copy the link. So you can actually embed that clip snippet of that video into a website. And that's good because you're getting, as a creator, you're getting credit for those views, which we're going to cover in just a second. Don't allow viewers to clip your content. If you want to turn it off as a creator, you basically need to go into your settings. So you go to Creator Studio, go into your settings. It'll open up, go to Channel, go to Advanced Settings, and just scroll down here, past subscriber count, automatic captions, all the usual goodness. And you'll see this little thing here, it says clips with question mark, and there's a checkbox, allow viewers to clip my content. If it's checked, it means people can clip. If it's unchecked, it means people cannot click. So if you need to turn it off, you want to uncheck the box. My advice is to leave it checked because it's bringing people to your videos. People are going to have the ability to share your video in an original way. I recommend to leave it on unless you have a really, really good reason. Remember, no one is taking your video, no one is copying your video, no one is re-uploading your video. You are getting credit for the view, you are getting credit for the watch time. Remember that. Okay, what's some other questions you might ask? And don't forget, if there's any questions that go unanswered from this video, make sure you ask them in the comments below, and I'll endeavor to give you the answer if I know it, or find out what that answer is and let you know. The other things you might want to consider as a question is this anything to do with shorts? No, it's nothing to do with shorts. This is not anything to do with the audio sampling feature in shorts. That is a totally separate thing. They're not taking your content and repurposing it in a different piece of content like they are with audio sampling. This is 100% contained within your video. This is not content that's been stolen or reused or re-uploaded. It is all yours. You get the credit for the view, the watch time, the ad revenue. You get the whole kit and caboodle. You can do it on a live stream. You can do it on a pre-recorded video. You won't be able to do it on shorts, I believe. You can see there's a short playing. You can see right now there is no clips option on my short. So shorts, you cannot clip. If you've got any more questions about YouTube clips, make sure that you ask them in the comments below. I'm here to discuss those with you. And if just like the live stream I did yesterday, you get some original questions I might not even know the answer to, and I will find out for you. And before you go, make sure the next video watches this one where we talk about another under-mentioned YouTube feature. Check it out. Well, this is Doug, and I'll catch you later.
Subscribe to Doug Hewson YT for more tech or content creation.